Hello, everybody, and welcome to my kitchen playground. Today I am going to show you how to make the pesto sauce, which is the versatile Italian sauce that goes along very well with many menus. The one that I chose to make with pesto sauce today is linguine with pesto cream sauce and salmon steak. It is the perfect sauce to make in spring or summer when we have abundant supply of basil. It is easy to prepare, so let's dive in. These basils are not going to survive Melbourne winter. I cut them and make pesto sauce before the weather is too cold. By doing this, I have the pesto sauce enough to use until I can grow my basil again. Now it's time to use my pesto sauce for dinner. The menu tonight is linguine with creamy pesto sauce and salmon steak. Start from boiling the linguine until al dente. Drain the pasta from the pot. Reserve half the cup of pasta water. Arrange the salmon on top of the spinach and mushroom. Put the pasta the soaked with our pesto creamy sauce on the other side of the dish. With just little efforts like this, you can eat out at home with the restaurant quality. Thank you for watching, and I hope you'll enjoy my video. If you like cooking and baking, please subscribe to my channel so that you will not be miss out when I post my new cooking video on YouTube. In the next video, I am going to show you how to turn the lamb leg into the perfect roasted. And I guarantee it will be one of the most delicious roasted lamb you've ever had.